first graders, how are you? Thanks for coming in here today to watch our quick video about our ELA standard this week. We are working on comparing and contrasting characters from a story. First thing is taking a look over here at being able to name the characters from our story. We're going to work on describing them, comparing and contrasting them, and then discussing those characters. So let's get started. First, I want to take a look at these pictures on your screen. What are some things that you see that are the same? What do all of these little pictures have in common? Stop for a second, take a look at the video or at the picture and see what they have in common. I hope that you said that some of them had smiley faces. They all are smiling. They all have eyes. Those are all of the same that they have in common. Those are the same, okay? Now, what are some things that they are different, not the same? So if you said that not all of them have a hat, you're right. This one has a hat. If you said that not all of them are yellow, you're right. This one is not yellow. So these are showing how they are different. So when we talk about how things are the same and how they are different, that is called comparing and contrasting. Comparing shows how some things are similar, the same. Contrasting shows how they are different, not the same. So I want to take a look at our two pieces of fruit here. We have an apple and a banana. Think to yourself, how are these the same? How are these different? And if you join us in our session this week, we will be able to have a discussion on how these two pieces of fruit are the same and how they are different, comparing and contrasting. When we talk about comparing and contrasting, we can use what we call a Venn diagram. Looks like these two circles overlapping. These help us to organize our thoughts. So I have two different monsters on my screen. You could practice drawing the Venn diagram on a piece of paper and yourself compare how they are the same and contrast how are they different. When you join me in class, we will go ahead and fill this out together. Good luck. You're going to do a great job. We'll see you in class.